Hi there, Chris here with another review for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the new Citadel Spray Stick. Now, this is a brand new product from Citadel, and this is for everybody out there who has been, in the past, been using a piece of wood with two-sided tape or sticky tack or what have you, and they're sticking it onto the surface and holding it so they can do a group spray. Citadel has made this product for doing such a task. I think this is really, really fun, and it's pretty darn interesting looking. And of course, they show that you use these little elastic bands. It can hold up little pieces of scenery. It looks like it'll hold, what is that, 50 mil bases? Well, it even shows like 105 to 70 mil bases, all the way down to 32 mil bases. And I think that is pretty darn interesting. So the Citadel Spray Stick, this is for everybody out there who has been, just simply, using a stick and some two-sided tape. This is a product that makes that just a little bit easier. And, for people who have really not even considered that as an option, Citadel has already gone ahead and made something for those people who, who that might not even have occurred to do something like that, to do a group spraying. And so let's have a look. Now, here's the other part that I'm kind of excited about, is that this will work for spray, and I'm sure this will work for airbrushing, obviously. Right out of the box, we got our little handle here. It's already being adhered to with some elastic bands. It is formed from a pretty durable plastic. It feels like the same kind of plastic that the army cases are made from, so it's got a lot of durability. There is a huge bag of elastics here, and they are pretty darn thick, actually. They look are about what, an inch and some a big. They're pretty much all the same size, it looks like, but there is a whole bunch here. And so this product should last you a few sittings. Now, they do, the way it describes it, let's see here, oh, look at that, you can put the handle on either end of this thing here. So simply just attach the handle like so, just like that, attaches in, and you take your elastic bands, you fit them. I guess I could have did this afterwards. So we'll take these excess bands off. So the bands that are already holding this piece in place are pretty much the same bands that are in the bag, but I'll just demonstrate this really quick. You can pretty much do any size of project because it's got these little rails where the elastic bands and the little rails have little notches so the elastic bands are not going to go anywhere. And you basically just attach the elastic bands to the end of a little rail. Bang. And you can just attach another one. And bingo bango, like so. And you can grab a model, and imagine if this was unprimed, and you could just simply slap this guy in there. Bang. Look at that. It holds. And, it's doing the trick, really. Here, what? You might have to move them probably every other notch just for something small. Heck, if you're really clever, you could probably really maximize the size of stuff. But yeah, look at that. I'm shaking it and everything like that. Giving it a good shake. I mean, the handle, it's a handle. I mean, it's pretty durable plastic. It feels like a bit like my barbecue kind of plastic. It's kind of that kind of, heavy duty kind of resin-like plastic. It's really super strong, but of course it's got the Citadel logo in there, but that is it. I think this is really darn cool. I think this will be getting used even when I'm doing airbrushing or even just my spray priming, especially when I'm doing, a whole bunch of models. Kind of really digging this product, actually. So that is the new spray handle. I think it's kind of really cool. I'm actually very surprised by this, that it's actually kind of pretty darn useful. And so if you're looking for something to get your spraying done, and something reusable and something durable, and again, if you're in this Citadel ecosystem, I think you can't really go wrong with picking this up. I think it's really good. I'm kind of surprised. And so, yeah, I can't wait to test it out and put it through its paces, which, I mean, it's a big hard piece of plastic with some rubber bands. I mean, it's going to be pretty durable. And once the rubber bands wear out, I mean, finding rubber bands, they don't have to be black. They could just be regular rubber bands. It doesn't really matter. You can find them at any dollar store. So, as long as this hard plastic lasts, this thing should last for a very long time. And because you can pretty much do any size of project, I bet you could even fit a rhino on here. So a huge thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Hopefully you found it informative and somewhat entertaining. Huge thank you to all my patrons who currently support and help keep the lights on. Without you guys' support, just a lot of these things wouldn't be possible. And if you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. Thank you, and take care of those brushes, and they will take care of you.